Hey everyone, let's have a look around this 2020 BMW X5 sDrive40i. This is a one-owner Florida car with a clean Carfax and a clean title. On the inside, you'll find a very well-equipped cabin, premium package, parking assistance package, heads-up display, Apple CarPlay, and wireless phone charging are just a few of the standout features. Other notable features are a fully digital dash, large touchscreen display, and giant panoramic glass sunroof. In the back, you'll find a large trunk, split folding rear seats, and a power liftgate. This 2020 BMW X5 looks new inside and out and is ready to carry you and your family around town in comfort and style. On the outside, you'll find that the paint is in excellent condition and the tires are like new. Power is provided by BMW's silky smooth 3-liter inline 6-cylinder that gets 21 miles per gallon city, 26 highway. This luxury SUV has been very well cared for since new. All maintenance is up to date and the original manufacturer's warranty is valid until August of 2024. Get in touch with us today to schedule a test drive and find out about our financing options.